How to download Ibis Paint on PC laptop, quick and easy. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you love using Ibis Paint on your phone and you want to get it on your PC or laptop for a bigger screen experience, this video is going to show you exactly how to do it quickly and easily. Let's get into it. What is Ibis Paint real quick for anyone new? Ibis Paint is one of the most popular free drawing and illustration apps available. It's packed with brushes, layers, filters, and professional drawing tools. It was originally built for mobile, but there are easy ways to get it running on your Windows PC or laptop right now. Method 1. Using the Microsoft Store. The easiest method first. Ibis Paint has an official version available directly on the Microsoft Store for Windows users. Click the Start menu, open the Microsoft Store, and type Ibis Paint in the search bar. The official app will appear in the results. Click Get or Install and Windows will download and install it automatically. Once it's done, you'll find Ibis Paint in your Start menu ready to launch. This is the cleanest and most straightforward method and takes less than 2 minutes. Method 2. Using an Android emulator. If the Microsoft Store version isn't available in your region or you want the full mobile experience on PC, use an Android emulator. The most popular and reliable options are BlueStacks and LD Player. Both are free to download. Head to bluestacks.com or ldplayer.net, download the installer and run it. Once the emulator is set up, open the Google Play Store. Inside it, search for Ibis Paint X and install it just like you would on a phone. The app will run inside the emulator, giving you the complete mobile version on your desktop. Setting up for drawing. Once Ibis Paint is installed on your PC, you'll get the best experience using a drawing tablet or a stylus-enabled touchscreen. If you're using a regular mouse, it still works, but a tablet like a Wacom gives you much more control and precision for your artwork. Connect your drawing tablet, open Ibis Paint, and you're ready to create. And that is how you download Ibis Paint on PC or laptop. Try the Microsoft Store first for the quickest install, and if that doesn't work, grab BlueStacks and install it through the Play Store. Either way, you'll be drawing in minutes. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.